Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. So hi everyone, this is the Mercedes SUV and I'll show you how the dash camera works, okay? The built-in dash camera. So I'm going to start the engine. This is going to be real easy to do, guys. You don't even have to read the manual in order to get this. Okay, and park. So normally you're at till you get to Mercedes Me an app, and it's right here. Normally when you start the vehicle it takes a while to pop up, so what I do, hi guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. It means so much to me for you to do that. Exit out, then exit in. Oh, it's not there again. Exit out, and after a while, by the time I leave my house, maybe 2 minutes down the road, that's when this pop up. You click it and you start. I like doing loop and I start recording. Now let me show you what it's saved on in here, this stick. I will link in my comment below where you can go buy this stick, how much it costs, and how much memory you should have. I put it in here and it stays in there. You have options to put it, I think, in there as well, but I keep it in there. So now let's end recording, and we want to see what we've recorded. Now we're going to go to media, which is right here, and well, this is one of the video, but we want right here, and there it is. So that's the button that you press, and then you get to go back. So I hope that helps. And this is the Mercedes GLS 450 2021.